Are you brave enough to follow your dog into the unknown? Why are there not more people talking about leashes with a mind of their own? Imagine this happening to you. So you're out for an ordinary walk, just you and your dog. Suddenly, the leash snaps tight and tugs you toward a shadowy, abandoned forest. You hesitate, but the leash pulls again, harder this time, almost like it knows something you don't. Your dog's ears perk up, eyes fixed on the darkness ahead. Every step closer, your heart pounds. Why is the leash leading you here? Are you following your dog, or something else entirely? Would you let curiosity win, or turn back before it's too late? Let me know. Would you keep going or run the other way?